So now pa, we will talk about another example of differential calculus. Now we have our function of x is equal to cosine raised to the 4x minus 2x squared. So dito po, ang unahin po natin ay ito po munang si cosine raised to 4x. So don't mind po muna itong 2x squared. So as you can see po, yung cosine po natin ay ni-raise po yan to 4. And actually, yung ganyan, pwede po natin yung i-rewrite as cosine x raised to 4. So, ito, we have to let our cosine as our u. So, if we let u to be cosine x, so we can rewrite that one as u raised to 4. Again, wag po muna nating tingnan yung second term, okay? Dito muna tayo kay cosine x raised to 4. So, ito, we can now apply the power rule. Di po ba if we will take the derivative of u to the 4, it will become 4 times u. Tapos 4 minus 1 is 3. Tapos the derivative of your u, okay, du. So, we will substitute for our u is again the cosine x. So, lagay natin cosine x, okay, raised to 3, and the derivative of our cosine x. Now, if we will get our answer, it is 4 cosine x raised to 3. The derivative of our cosine x is negative sine x po. Okay, negative sine x. So, if we will rewrite that one, it will become negative 4 cosine x raised to 3 times sine x. Okay, that's the answer for this term. Ito. Now, the derivative of negative 2x squared. So, if we will get the derivative of 2x squared, that will be, dito na natin ilagay, ano? That will be, kanina 2x squared po yun. Okay? So, the derivative of that one is, multiply lang natin, 2 times itong 2, okay? Tapos x times the derivative of our x. Okay, again, the derivative of x is 1 na lang po yan. And 2 times 2 is 4. So, if we will write our answer dito sa baba, it will become negative 4 cosine of x raised to 3 sine x minus 4x. Okay? So, as you can see, we have here common, okay, see negative 4. So, ipapalabas natin, we will factor out negative 4. Okay, and our answer now is cosine x raised to 3 times sine x plus x.